process. And pag sinasabi na the chain of command is intact, buo yung kadena natin, yung link natin. Kung meron man sa baba na ayaw mo sa isang, let's say, political stand, keep it to yourself. Sapagkat ang sinumpaan natin ay tayo ang mag-provide ng security blanket para lahat ng political players could engage in politics. Wala tayo dapat kikilingan doon. So long as it is within the bounds of law, your AFP will remain the arbiter or the guarantor of security. Hindi tayo papasok dyan. The chain of command should be intact. It should not break. Kung sakali man, ang next na mas mataas sa'yo, may inakyat ka, ayaw niya sa sinasabi mo, the next link, dun mo iakyat ang gusto mong iparating. That will go all the way up to the chain of command na sinasabi natin. Sa ganitong pagkakataon, ang importante, Bong and Francel, and you have mentioned this many times, Francel, the chain of command is intact. And it is intact. Maraming lalabas na misinformation, disinformation, malinformation, cyber attacks to weaken the chain of command. Para may mag-break. Pero importante na manatiling buo ang chain of command.
Ayun.